How do you know which photo that you uploaded onto your Google listing, which one got more traction, which one got more views? And again, you gotta be adding more photos onto your Google listing. And that's how people get to trust you before they call you, right? And if you're a funeral home, you want to be uploading pictures of the staff, interior, exterior pictures of the funeral home. If you're a home improvement company, you want to be uploading job photos, right? So the more you upload onto your Google listing, the more likely they're going to call you. So let's take a look. How do you know which photo is getting traction or not? So again, this is what families will see whenever they're Googling your business, right? They will click on see photos. And how do you know which of these photos are getting traction or not? So what you do, again, is you go on google.com/business and you sign in and you go to photos over here. This is where you upload, delete photos. It's all coming from here. But what I want to share with you are these stats here. People really do look at these photos, right? This photo over here being viewed since 2014, 171K. That's a lot, right? So if I show examples of funeral homes or home improvement companies job photos, they typically get a lot of views, right? So you can see this one got a lot of views. So that's why you got to be uploading photos, right? And the better the photo, right? Definitely want to be uploaded interior, exterior, right? It's pretty easy, right? You drag and drop into interior and exterior. And you keep uploading videos on here as well. Okay. So I really recommend you to be uploading as many photos as possible. And now you get to know which photo, which picture is getting more traction, right? And maybe switch it up here and there and see which picture is getting more.